Mentally, I'm good. I think I'm ready. I saw in training they come a lot of fans. It was an amazing feeling because I didn't expect. When we arrived, immediately one guy come to us with the life, and we go in the car. It was unexpected totally, and it was really a shock. And few many people come to make photos, and they already know who I am, so it was amazing feeling. Normally it isn't easy to go far away from home, but I am already from 18 years old out of my country, so it's for me it's the same, because I come here for football, I come to play, my wife and kid are here, so they are my support. My parents are in Skopje, they support me, so I come here to play, and I think I will be in good shape in very fast time. It was my hero is Luis Nazario de Lima Ronaldo, the father Ronaldo, and I like him so much, his movement and everything, but also Cristiano Ronaldo is his mentality, his focus, his professionalism, everything. This is what make me move every day. Not every tattoo is some meaning. Here is my mother, here is my father. This is not by meaning. And here I have lion. This is going through my life, I feel like lion because fight every day. Yes. Normally I rest home with my family, maybe some walking, maybe sometimes restaurant, but usually we stay home and we rest. Mentally, I'm good. I think I'm ready. I saw in training they come a lot of fans, and I feel good. And I cannot wait to see in the game these fans to come and to support us.